up on a topic to terrestrial animals. The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Very good. It's a panda. That's right. It's a duck. Way to go. It's a monkey. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the... That's right! A monkey. That's right! Yes! Panda eats bamboo. What a job you did! You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Correct. That's the duck's house. Way to go. That's the monkey's house.